Alright, this game is called Mastermind, the challenging game of logic and deduction, and it is a two-person game. And in this game you have a code maker and a code breaker, and I'm going to be the code breaker, and my opponent is going to be the code maker. And you can see down here, I can't see it because there's this little screen to hide it. My opponent has made a code out of these colored pins right here. And you can use all the same color, although that would probably be pretty easy to break. You can use different colors. You can do it however you want. So I'm going to take my first stab at it, and I have no idea what it says. I'm just going to pull some colors out and take a shot. So I'm going to put blue here, yellow here, green here, and let's see, how about orange? And now the code maker has these 4 spots right here, and the code maker is going to indicate to me with these other little pegs, these littler pegs, which ones I have right by putting in any position he wants to. I'm not going to know which one of these beads back here he's talking about and which one he's talking about for me. He's going to put in a red one if I have the right peg in the right position. He's going to put in a white one if I have the right peg, the right color peg, but in the wrong position, and he's going to put nothing if I have the wrong color peg.
So in the first position I put 3 white pins because none of the colors that she has chosen are in the right place, but 3 of the colors she has chosen are in my code.
So I'm just going to guess, and I'm going to try and get the right colors first, and I'm going to see what happens. So, let's see what I do. I'm going to keep everything the same except for, I don't know, let's keep everything the same except for the green one. So I'm going to put all these out here, and instead of green, I'm going to put a white.
I put 4 whites in the quadrant because now she has all 4 of the correct colors. I did not put any red pins because none of the colors are in the right place.
And I'm just going to tell you that never happens. That was really lucky that I figured out all 4 colors that fast. So I'm going to mix up the locations of all of them to see if I can get any of them right, but I'm going to keep all the colors the same.
So now I've put 1 red pin because one of the 4 colors is in the right place.
So I'm going to guess, and I have no clue. I'm going to guess, I'm going to put all of these in a different place and see what happens. So I'm going to put the blue one where it's never been before. I'm going to put the orange one where it's never been before. It's never been here. I'm going to put the yellow one where it's never been before. And I'm going to put the white one right here and just see what happens.
So now I've put 2 red pins here because now 2 of the colors are in the right place.
So I'm going to just take a guess. I'm going to guess, let's see, I'm going to leave the yellow one there, I'm going to leave the blue one there, and I'm going to switch the orange one and the white one, and I'm going to take a shot at that.
This doesn't usually happen this quickly in a game, but I've placed all 4 red pins here because now all 4 colors are in the right place.
Yeah, that just about never happens. Don't get discouraged if you fill all these up. So the way this is scored is over here you can see some numbers very faintly. This is a side with numbers on it. So I'm going to decide that I'm going to be red. And the code maker is the only one who can score. So the code maker would score 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5 rows. And he would put a little pin in 5 for himself. And now you switch roles, and the other person I would become the code maker. He would become the code breaker. And the only other thing you need to know is that if you go all the way to the end, you score 10 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1 additional bonus point. The code maker would get 11 if you never guessed the code in all those tries. So good luck, have fun.